This is a dessert walk, folks. It never saw an onion in its life. That means we're having dessert.
Super easy dessert to make. I think it's under 4 or 5 minutes. That's it. It's about 3 minutes now. A few more minutes and it will be done. Lower the flames.
Oh look, there's some left over here. Let me clean the pot. Yeah, she'll like it if I clean the pot so that it's easier later. Let me clean it like this. Yeah, my job is done. Yesterday was my birthday, so we made this beautiful special dessert, but I couldn't have it yesterday because it had to cool down. Actually, I can have it today because I have a special tray made just for me. So I'm gonna try this and see how it is. I'm sure it tastes the same as the nice ones. Probably does. You know what? This isn't suitable for a king. I'm gonna be brave and have the real one. After all, it is my fake birthday. So this one is mine. Tastes the same. Oops. There's a hole here. No worries, I'll replace it. No one will notice. There you go. Perfect. All mine. Kinda like that. Look at that, there's 3 left. Can't say no to this. It's surprising how light and velvety and soft this is. Very nice. It melts in your mouth in a really nice way.